Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome to my channel. But it's a B in English with belief. These guys help me to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. Thank you. So today we'll be starting the first lesson in chapter 2. Chapter 2, which is signale di pericolo, the dangerous signal. So let's enter the lesson. Vediamo nel dettaglio I vari segnali di pericolo. So let's see how the various dangerous signals are. I segnale di pericolo è di forma triangolo. So the dangerous signal, they are in form of triangle. Viene posto di norma a 150 metri. So they are posed normally by law at 150 meters. The pericolo from the danger, before the danger. So they are placed 150 meters before the danger, this very dangerous signal. In qualche modo deve fermarsi pensare ad una di attenzione. So in any way we have to stop and think very well and pay attention. Quindi nel simbolo contenuto all'interno del segnale. So this very signal, what is trying to indicate is inside the signal. What this very dangerous signal is indicating is inside the signal. Andiamo a definire il tipo di pericolo che viene segnalato. So the type of danger that this very signal is indicating is inside the signal. So as you can see, the first figure 1. So figure 1, you can see the danger. So this danger now is called strada deformata. This very one, the strada deformata. Questo segnale preavviso un pericolo casa di una strada dissesata. So this very signal is giving notice of a dangerous road caused by a deformed road. A deformed road curved in cattivo stato di uso, so in a bad state. So the road is in a bad state, cattivo stato di uso, so in a bad state. Deformata or con pavimentazione irregolare, so it can be a deform or the pavement is irregularly. Non preavviso un dorso, so this very signal is not giving notice that there is a hub. Non limita la visibilità, so it does not limit the visibility. Ma è un tratto di strada che può causare danni alla sospensione del veicolo. So, and this very section of the road, it can cause damage to the suspension of the vehicle. Ad invertare a rallentare, so it invites us to slow down e tenere saldamente il volante and to hold very firm our steering. Per controllare le possibili sbandamenti del veicolo, to control very well the possibility of the shaking of the vehicle. So, in summary, this very signal is a deformed road, a road that is in a bad state. So, and this very road, it cannot let our visibility be limited. No, it cannot limit our visibility, and this very road can cause damage to our suspension. So it invites us to slow down and hold very firm our steering to control the shaking of the vehicle. So that is the lesson. So let's go and take question and answer to get more understanding of this very signal. So on this very signal, there is a let me show something. So let me show something first. Concerning the lesson as well. So I want to show something, but I will take the lesson. So look at this very arrow. So they can attach this very panel, this 380 meters, and you will see this arrow pointing upward, this directional arrow pointing upward. It means the length of the road. The length, they can say lungo. Yes, it's correct. So they can say lungo. So lungo are 3. So the distance of the section of the road that is in bad state is 380 meters. So the length of the section of the road that is in bad state is 380 meters. But why, when this arrow is not there? For example, let me go and check if I can see any signal. Like, okay, look, this very 320, there's no arrow. So this means this one that there's no arrow. When they did not put arrow now, it means it's indicating the distance. So just know, when they attach this integration panel to join this very signal, it means the distance where the road is in bad state is 320 meters, 320 meters the distance. Why this one is indicating the length, lungo, the length. So this one is the length, so don't confuse, okay? So let me go to the question and answer now. The first question. So strada deformata is a deformed road. So il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada con pavimentazione irregolare. So the first question say this very sign figure pronuncia is announcing un tratto di strada, a section of the road con pavimentazione irregolare, with the pavement irregularly, and it's true. Our next question. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada deformata. Yes, it's true. So this very signal is announcing a section of the road that is in deformed state, and it's true. Number 3. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada a visibilità limitata. No, it's false. So this very question is saying, this very sign figure, pronuncia, I mean, is announcing un tratto di strada, is announcing a section of the road a visibilità limitata, with the visibility limited. No, it's false. This very signal does not limit the visibility. No, it's false. Number 4. Il segnale raffigurato può essere associato con un segnale di limite massimo di velocità. So this very signal può essere associato, it can be associated con un segnale di limite massimo di velocità. So this very signal can be associated with the maximum speed limit on the road, and it's true. They can decide, the authorities, because of the bad state of the road, they can decide to attach a signal that shows the maximum speed limits the users can drive, so that there will be no accident. And it's true. Number 5. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un serie di dorso. No, it's false. So this very number 5 say this very sign figure is announcing a series of hub. No, it's false. Number 6. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una doppia curva. No, it's false. He said this very signal is announcing a double curve. No, it's false. Number 7. Il segnale raffigurato se è fondo giallo è usato un presa di cantiere stradale. So according to the law, if this very signal you are seeing here, if the inner color that you are seeing white now, if it is yellow, it means there is work in progress in the road. If the inner color of this very signal that you are seeing white now, if the inner color is yellow, it means there is work in progress in the road. So let's take the number 7 again. Il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, se è fondo giallo, if the inner is yellow, è usato in presenza di cantiere stradale. So if the inner color is yellow, that means it is used because of the presence of work in progress in the road. Yeah, and it's true. It's true. Number 8. Il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di pericolo. Yes, very, very true, because this very signal is a dangerous signal, and it's true. Number 8. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una discesa pericolosa. No, it's false. So you said this very signal is announcing una discesa. It is announcing a very slope, a very dangerous slope. No, it's false. Number 10. Il segnale raffigurato è un segnale di prescrizione. No, it's false. It said this very sign figure is a prescription signal. No, it's false. It's a dangerous signal, not prescription. Number 11. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un dorso. It said this very sign figure is announcing a hub. No, it's false. This one is not a false. This one is a strada deformata. Number 12. Il segnale raffigurato si trova in genere a 150 metri prima di un tratto di strada con fondo irregolare. Yes, it's very, very true. So you say this very sign figure si trova can be found in genere a 150 metri, so at 150 meters prima di un tratto di strada. So can be found at 150 meters before the section of the road con fondo irregolare, before the section of the road with the pavement irregularly, and it's true. So you can see this very signal before you get to the danger where you will find the bad state of the road, and it's true. Number 13. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una cunetta or un dorso. So this very 13 said this very sign figure is announcing una cunetta, is announcing a gutta or un dorso or a hub. No, it's false. Number 14. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia più curve consecutive. No, it's false. They said this very sign figure is announcing more curves, more consecutive curves. No, it's false. Number 15. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una forte variazione di pendenza della strada. No, it's false. They said this very sign figure is announcing a very strong variation of a slope of the road. No, it's false. Number 16. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia una strada in cattivo stato. Yes, it's very, very true. So this very sign figure is announcing a road in a bad state, and it's very, very true. Number 17. Il segnale raffigurato pronuncia un tratto di strada dissestata. Yes, it's true. You can say dissestata, deformata, in cattivo stato. They are all true. A road of a bad state. So let's correct it. So you can see everything is very, very clear. Everything is very, very clear here. Everything is very, very clear. So try to take the video slow and steady. Rewind if you don't understand before you continue. So let's go to the next question. So guys, you understand what you know where you saw when I tried to explain this very arrow, what it means. So let's take the question. Il segnale raffigurato indica un tratto di strada deformata lungo 380 metri. Yes, it's true. So this very sign figure, this very signal is indicating tratto di strada, a section of the road deformata, is a section of the road that is deformed lungo 380 metri. So a section of the road that is the length is 380 meters, and it's true. So a section of the road that is deformed and the length is 380 meters, and it's true. Let's correct it. So it's very, very clear. It's very, very clear. So if you see the arrow in the integration panel, that means it is the length, which is lungo, the length. So, but when the arrow is not there, that means the distance is the distance. So let's go to the next question. So the next question. So look at the integration panel. There is no arrow again, and you know what it means. Il segnale raffigurato indica un tratto di strada deformata lungo 320 metri. No, it's false. It's false. So, and you know there's no arrow. When there's no arrow, that means it's a distance, not lungo. No. Il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, indica un tratto di strada, is indicating a section of the road. Deformata is a section of the road that is deformed. Lungo 320 metri. That is, the length is 320 meters. Not length, it's distanza. So it's false because of length. So you can see it's very, very clear here. Very, very clear. Very, very clear. So let me check if there is another one. So we still have another one. Comportamento da tenere in presenza di segnale di strada deformata. So the behavior, comportamento means the behavior. The behavior da tenere, the behavior we need to keep in presenza di segnale. So the behavior we need to keep in the presence of this very signal, the strada deformata, this very signal of a deformed road. So the behavior we need to keep. Our first question. In presenza di segnale raffigurato è obbligatorio circolare al centro della carreggiata. No, it's false. So with the presence of this sign figure, it is mandatory. In the presenza di segnale raffigurato è obbligatorio circolare al centro della carreggiata. So it is mandatory to circulate at the center of the carriageway. No, it's false. With this very rule, the Lord said in the very lesson, if you can remember very well, the Lord said with this very rule, try to keep to your right hand side. Keep to your right hand side very well. If you get to where the danger is, get to the right side very well, and keep to the right hand side, not the center. No, it's false. Number 2, in presenza di segnale raffigurato è necessario fare attenzione al restringimento della carreggiata. So this very question is saying in presenza di segnale raffigurato, in the presence of this sign figure, è necessario fare attenzione. So it is important to pay attention al restringimento for the narrow of della carreggiata, of the narrow of the carriageway. This very signal is not talking about any restringimento, which is anything like narrow. No, it's just only saying there is a deformed road. So number 3, in presenza di segnale raffigurato è necessario circolare a velocità moderata se si traino un rimorchio. Yes, it's true. So with the presence of this sign figure, è necessario circolare. So it is important to circulate a velocità moderata, to travel or circulate at a moderate velocity. Se si traino. So if you are towing un rimorchio, if you are towing a trailer, and it's true, because when you are towing a trailer, just because of the trailer, you know, the head now is where we are controlling the vehicle. So then the trailer is at the back. So with this very bad state of the road, you need to drive in a very moderate velocity so that the trailer will go according with the head of the vehicle. So, and it's very, very true. So you don't need to drive very rough because it will cause danger. Number 4. In presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario tenere esattamente i volanti per controllare possibili sbandamenti. So the number 4 say, in presenza del segnale raffigurato, in the presence of this sign figure, è necessario tenere esattamente i volanti. So it is important to hold very firm our steering per controllare possibili sbandamenti, to control the possibility of the shaking of the vehicle. And it's true. It's true because of the bad state of the road. There's holes and the rest, so you need to hold very firm the steering to control the possibility of the shaking, because when the tires now enter into a hole, they come out again, the vehicle will be shaking, and it's very, very true. So number 5, in presenza di segnale raffigurato è necessario moderare la velocità per evitare eccessiva sollecitazione a danni alle sospensioni. So this question is saying, in the presence of this sign figure, è necessario moderare la velocità. So it is important to moderate our velocity per evitare eccessiva, to avoid excessive solicitation e danni alla sospensione, to avoid the excessive solicitation of the damage to the suspension. So, and it's true. So because of the state of the road, it is important to moderate our speed to avoid the damage of the suspension. The suspension are the spring that is close to the tire. So anytime when the tires enter into any hole or any pothole, this spring now will help the tire to climb up. So, or it will bounce the vehicle. That spring that is close to the tire, they are called the suspension, and it's true. So number 6, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è vietato il sorpasso. So this very number 6 say, in the presence of this sign figure, it is forbidden to do overtaking. No, it's false. This very sign figure does not forbid anything like overtaking. No, it's false. Number 7, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è importante prevedere eventualmente sbandamento del veicolo proveniente dal senso opposto. So this very number 7 say, in the presence of this sign figure è importante prevedere. So it is important for us to foresee eventualmente sbandamento, to foresee the possibility of the shaking that vehicle proveniente, of the vehicle that is coming that sense opposite, that the vehicle that is coming from the other opposite side. And it's true, just because of this bad state of the road, the vehicles that are coming from the other opposite direction, their vehicles can still be shaking. Our own as well can still be shaking too. It's very important for us to foresee that those vehicles that is coming from the opposite direction, their vehicle can be shaking, so that we have to be very, very careful and keep to the right hand side very well. And it's true. Number 8, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario adeguare la velocità in relazione alla particolare condizione del fondo stradale. So this very number is, in the presence of this sign figure, it is important and necessary adeguare la velocità. It is important to adequate the velocity in relation alla particolare condizione. So in relation with the particular condition of the road. And it's true. So moderate the speed because of the condition of the road. You have to moderate your speed, regulate the speed to an adequate level that will make you not to cause any danger, to endanger yourself or endanger other users of the road. So number 9, in presenza del segnale raffigurato è necessario rallentare solo se provengono veicolo dal senso opposto. No, it's false. So this question is, in presenza del segnale raffigurato, in the presence of this sign figure, è necessario rallentare. So it is important to slow down solo se, only if provengono veicolo da senso opposto, only if vehicles are coming from the opposite side. No, it's false. Only this signal, seeing this very dangerous signal, it always means one thing, that this is a dangerous signal, so we have to slow down. Only seeing this signal before even trying to see to see what is indicating inside the signal. So only seeing the signal, triangle signal, it means it's a dangerous signal, so we have to reduce our speed. Number 10, in presenza del segnale raffigurato non è necessario rallentare in caso di scarsa visibilità. So this very number 10 says, in the presence of this sign figure, non è necessario rallentare. So it's not important to reduce the speed to slow down in case of a scarce visibility. So it's not important to slow down in case of a scarce visibility. No, it's false. You don't have to do that. When there's a scarce visibility, you have to slow down. Don't cause accident. Don't cause danger to the circulation. Don't cause danger to the circulation. So let's correct it and see. So as you can see, everything is very, very clear here. Everything is clear. Take the question, or no, as you are watching the video, take it slow and steady. Understand very well. You can always pause, rewind, understand before you continue. So let me see if there is another question on this very strata deformata. No. So our next lesson will be dorsal. So when next again, I will be doing the when next again, our lesson will be dorsal, which is hub. Our lesson will be dorsal, which is hub. So, and the hub, so we still have about 2 questions on it. So next time when we meet, I'll be doing lesson on the hub. So thank you. I just did the chapter 1 lesson 1. Chapter 2 lesson 1. So please guys, don't forget, help me to subscribe to my channel and like my videos as well. Thank you. See you in the next lesson. Bye.